Hey everybody, for this video I'm going to show you how you can utilize the whiteboarding feature inside of Flipgrid to record a video of yourself. So the first thing you need to do is you're going to click the link that is posted inside of Schoology, and you are going to join with Google and make sure you are using your East Penn account. If you are using Gmail or a personal account, it will not work. So once you are in, you are going to read the problem. So you are going to explain how to solve each problem as if you were teaching it to another classmate and show all of your work and steps. These are the two problems. So the first thing you're going to do is you can record a response, or you can click down here. So once you do that, you will see me right here. How's it going? You are going to go down to Effects and select Board. There's some different options. I'm just going to choose the whiteboard. There's graph paper, line paper. And then the split screen, you can see I can slide it and see how much of my face or the screen that I want. I'm just going to choose the board. Once you start recording, you'll see a 3, 2, 1, and then you are going to go back to Effects, make sure you are selected on Draw. You can choose your colors, and now I can write out my problem. So let's say it was x plus 3 equals 5. You can write this out, change the colors, but what you need to do is make sure you're showing all of your steps. And once you are done with both problems, you would hit Next, and it'll take you to the next step to post your video. But it's very important to make sure you're writing out all your steps, explaining as if you were teaching it to somebody. If you forget what the topic is, in the upper right hand corner, you can click here and you would be able to scroll down and see what the problem is in case you would forget. And you are going to complete both problems in your video. And again, once you are done, you would hit Next, and then you are going to go back to Effects, make sure you are selected. Okay, it would give you a preview. Keep going through Next. You are putting your name, and in order to get credit, you need to use your real name, and then you're going to submit it. And that is how you use the whiteboard inside of Flipgrid to explain the problem.